Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add a subscript to your texts and text boxes on Lucidchart diagrams in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your text box in your Lucidchart diagram, and let me go, for example, with that text box here. Double click into it to highlight the text. Let me just replace the text. Let's say, for example, you would like to add something like, I don't know, square meters or something like that. We got, for instance, 25 square meters. Now, if I enter the 2, it will not look like a square meter. So you would need to convert this either into a super or in a subscript. To do this, highlight the number, navigate to the text options to the top left and select this option here, subscript or superscript, depending on the one you would like to go with. So with a superscript, it would look like square meters, but you can also select subscript, and with a superscript, subscript here, excuse me, it will look like this with the number here in the bottom right corner of the text line. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.